Today we will see how to use a repeated step. That is a step that repeats all the times we want, asking for the same information. Useful to create tables in which the asked fields will create the columns and the answers will create the lines. Remember, everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphones and tablets has reduced functionalities. From the web app, let's go on the menu. Forms, create a new one and call it Material Delivery, since it's what we are going to create. Create and then create a new revision. In the first step, add two fields. A customer one that we are going to call Customer, and a date picker, calling it Date. Add a second step. This will be our repeated one. Add a product field, we will call it Material. Two text fields that we will call Quantity and Unit of Measurement. During the material delivery, it's possible that just one material will be delivered, but if there's more, we can use our repeated step instead of create a new one for every material. The operator can fill in the step about the material all the times he needs. After filling in this form, completing the repeated step as many times as it's necessary, we will have a table with the material, quantity and unit of measurement as columns and all the information entered as lines. How can we make this step repeated? Let's go on the name of the step and click on Repeated. Save and go to PDF Designer. Confirm to generate the document automatically. As you can see, there is a table with the material, quantity and unit of measurement. This will be as long as all the times we will complete the repeated step. Save and close. Choose the visibility and publish. From App, you can open the form, complete the first step, and in the second one you can see that you can select the first material with its properties and you can click on plus to add more. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.